Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2018 VW Golf SE Nav. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 123 brake horsepower, and while still returning up to a very impressive 55 miles to the gallon. The car's covered just over 42,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the metallic tungsten silver and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior, the armrest in the centre there for the front passengers, and two cup holders in the centre as well. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. A few other features I can mention: the car also has air conditioning, active cruise control there on the left hand side of the steering wheel, so this car will brake and accelerate accordingly to the car in front, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. And on the driver's door card there, you've then got your electric folding mirrors there at the top and your 4 window controls below. Being the 5-door version of the Golf, for a hatchback you've got a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have their own air vents there in the centre, and it's good to see the car's got some carpet floor mats as well. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot, nice and deep, with the rear seats that can be split and the parcel shelf that's still in place. The boot floor is also adjustable, so it's at its lowest point at the moment, but you can increase the height, which will then give you extra storage underneath. And underneath the boot floor, you've also got a space saver wheel, so that's great to see these days. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and then also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.